Hey guys, Tashile everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make simple homemade pasta. And this recipe I learned from my mom and I love this recipe and hopefully you guys also love it. And let's get started how to make. And guys, before watching video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, so first I'm going to make pasta dough. For pasta dough flour, you can use any kind of flour. So here I use maida. Add the flour how much you want to make. Okay guys, so here I already add the flour. And second, we need water for making dough. And how much you want to make accordingly you can add. Add the water slowly. Don't add too much first. Now use your hand. And this dough is little, you need to make a hard. It's like a momo dough. Everyone can know how to make momo dough. It's like a string, nothing different. Now do for 2-3 minutes until not get the soft the dough. Now its dough becomes soft and smooth. Cover and leave it for 10 minutes. Need to rest. Okay, next I'm going to cut the pork. You can use any kind of meat. Chicken, beef, whatever you have. So here I'm going to use pork and cut into sliced pieces like this. Now I'm going to put here and we're going to marinate with this. Marinade ingredient here I'm going to use just half teaspoon sugar, just a little bit salt, 1 teaspoon cooking oil, and 1 teaspoon soy sauce, dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon cornflour, just pinch of little bit szechuan pepper. Now mix very well. Here I'm going to use my hand. Alright, now it's done. All the mix very well. Now cover and leave it for 15 minutes. Okay, next I'm going to make cumin seed. Just a little bit making powder. Add some little salt and just crush powder. It will give the nice flavor. Okay, so this is perfect. Now I'm going to add garlic and ginger. Next, I'm going to cut some chili. These are not spicy, not too much spicy, just a little bit only. So if you are non-spicy, then you can skip the chili. Now if you feel like it's spicy, then you can remove all the inside. See, here I already removed all the see. Okay, now after 15 minutes later, I'm going to shallow fry my meat. You can deep fry also, but I don't like to deep fry. I'm going to shallow. Now heat the oil properly. Okay, now it's done. I'm going to add now fry for continuously 2-3 minutes until not get the golden color. Now cover and leave it for 2-3 minutes. Okay, now let's make the pasta. I need some flour. Cover the dough and we're going to make this. Take like this much and make like this. You can make any kind of shape as you like. Now it's done. Now it's ready for boil. Now my water also start to boil. Now I'm going to add just a little bit salt. Now add the pasta. Now lightly stir and continuously boil for normal high heat for 5 to 6 minutes. Now I'm going to remove the water. Put it in the bowl. These are ingredients. Here I already prepared all the ingredients before. That's it, we need. Now I'm going to add onion. Some green onion I'm going to add, and garlic and ginger paste also. Just a little bit salt. Now it's already brown color. Now add the vinegar. Now I'm going to add just a little bit turmeric powder and just a little bit chili paste. So if you want to know how to make chili paste, check it out my YouTube channel. Recently I upload the video. Next I'm going to add this water. I'm going to use pasta boiled before. No problem. I'm going to add just a little bit soya sauce. That's it. I'm going to use sauce seasoning. I'm going to use only this much. Now next we're going to add before making meat. Oops. Check it out and make tissue. Not mixed well. Add the salt according to need. And now finally I'm going to add chili. It's not spicy. It's similar to capsicum. You can add any kind of vegetable as you like. So in this recipe I like to keep little spicy. So if you don't like spicy, you can skip the chili. Okay, my pasta sauce is ready. Right now I'm going to add my pasta. After adding the pasta, you have to gently mix just slightly, otherwise it will block the pasta. Nicely mixed. After that it's ready. It's almost ready. You don't need to cook over because we already cooked before everything. Alright, just we need to mix very nicely.
Ona menati tunke simpa, ona menati tunke michu. Amma lagi champion tantile ngawa, amme champion tantile ngawa. Ona menati tunke simpa, ona menati tunke michu. Amma lagi champion tantile ngawa, amme champion tantile ngawa. आई आम्हाला